And I feel like that, oh, the burning bush. So you've got that one and you've got those. And so the plan there is to level those as close as you can and cover them with the garbage bag and then the pine needles and the leaves and the rocks and try to smother them and then forget about them. Okay? Here are the berries. What happens is, so this is invasive. I have 2 I just took down finally. So I'm not judging or telling you what to do, but here we go. These are berries, the birds eat them, they fly off, they distribute them, then there's more burning bushes. Why is that a problem? Because then they crowd out what would otherwise be natively growing in that area, which affects everything, wildlife, local ecology, etc. So the best thing you could do is take it down if and when you feel like it.